Hello, AP Research Lions. I'm going to show you a video. I'm going to try and remember everything that I told you I would show you, and if I don't, just come tell me what I forgot to video and I'll video it. So on readylibrary.com, you can go to your new AP Research folder. This video will be located in here as well as these other links and resources. I think I told you I was going to show you how to get to the publications list. I remember that for sure. So in any of these Gale databases that have periodical publications in them, you can go to the database and wait for it to open. And then you're going to come over here to More, and then where it says Title List, no matter what database you go into, this landing page is going to be the same. And so you're going to go here, and then you're going to have to choose the database you're in. So are you in Academic One file? Are you in, let's see, what are some of our General One file? Are you in InfoTrack Newsstand? So you're going to have to choose which database that you're in. So I'm just going to come back up here and I'm going to go back to Academic One file, and you can, I'm not sure, I think we talked about that, I'm not sure what these do, but I know that this opens up a spreadsheet that you can navigate. You may want to, if you're going to need to do this, you may want to do it on a like a laptop or a PC, something that has Excel. So this is going to open up a spreadsheet of all of the publications that are in this particular database. And so once this spreadsheet opens up, I'll show you a couple different ways you can navigate this. Alright, so now we have our spreadsheet, and you will notice that in this spreadsheet, I think I showed you guys this in class, but there's almost 19,000 different publications in this particular database, okay? There are several ways that there are several things that you're going to want to notice. First of all, you're going to want to notice when did they start indexing this particular publication, because there may be an article, maybe you Google and you find an article, but you can't access the article, and so but it's beyond when they started, or it's before when they started indexing. So just be aware of this date right here. And then full text, if you're looking for the full text, also be aware of this date, because these two dates could be different, okay? And then here you'll be able to see, is this a trade journal? Is this a general? Is this an academic? Is this a professional? What kind of journal is this? Okay, and just be aware, remember what I said about trade journals, okay? And then over here, you'll see the primary subjects. And so you can filter by subject. So you can scroll through here and find your subject and filter by that particular subject should you want to. But this would kind of give you an idea of a publication that you could search for within that database regarding your topic for your research. So this will be helpful in that instance. The other thing you can note is if there is an ISSN number right here, then when you are in Academic One file over here, you can actually go to Advanced Search, and then you can actually search by the ISSN number. Okay, so you can put that number in here and search by that and see what articles they have for that journal, okay? And then you can kind of search from within the journal there. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for one of these. So let's see. Let's find one that's not too crazy weird. Okay, so here's one. All right. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to put in that ISSN, and I'm going to click search. Okay, so there are 107 articles in here. Okay, so if I wanted to, I could go through and look at all 107, or I can look over here by subject. Perhaps I'm looking for something specifically on Nigeria, or perhaps I'm looking for something specifically on the European Union, European Commission. Okay, so you can then you can look by subject here, and then you can also you want to make sure that that full text is checked, but then you can search within your results also by going right here. Okay, so I haven't ever done the topic finder on something like this, but so I'm looking at a specific publication, and look at my wheel and see. So there looks like there's a lot of articles about Nigeria, Romania, and then some other various topics here. So that would be one thing that you could do using this list right here. If you have questions or you need help with a specific journal or with a search, please come and see me and let me know, and I'll be happy to help you. Good luck, Lions.